Hey, it's me, Tim, and I don't really have a proper build video for you this week. I have two really cool projects in the works, but I'm not quite ready to share them here yet. But I wanted to just put up a quick update this week about the Apeiron base series that has recently concluded. And if you remember, I'm making these bases in a couple different configurations and whatnot, and I developed this whole website where you can kind of go on and design your own based on the parameters of the website. I want to show you the fruits of this labor here in the first month since I launched that. I have 4 of these custom Apeirons happening right here. I'm going to show you. They're all in various states of completion. But what I really wanted to sort of show you was that each one of these is not actually 100% straight off of the design your own website. There's a couple different little variations, but what that site does is it creates the sort of framework. I can't think of every possible combination, but just every possible combination that's there isn't the end of it. And as I continue to make these and see the possibilities, of course it'll grow and be even more online. But the way all these worked is that the customers went and they saw the website, they looked at what they wanted, they said, hey, I like all of that, but can you add this or can you do that? And that's what we did. Like this, this first one here is left-handed, which is of course an option, but the client strings it differently. It's strung starting on A, so it's like up a fourth from a normal bass. And they also didn't want any knobs at all. They just wanted a 1/4-inch jack on the front and nothing else. So sure, we can do that. And then the next one to come in, which is nearing completion, is based on the Classic, which has the knobs on the back, as you can see there. And it's another left-handed. This guy tunes it like a cello. Why not? Sure, I can do that. Do I have Tune It Like a Cello on the website? Of course not. I didn't think of that, but I can do it. And so, we'll set it up for the string gauges he needs and stuff. And also, I wanted to talk about this Classic model, because one of the things I realized I always sort of said but never showed was that the knobs on the back do not get in the way of regular playing at all. Like here you can see I'm just holding this bass the way it balances on my body, the way I would play it. And even moving around and being active, like the knobs at most will touch me, but they're not going to spin on my body. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're like concerned about not having knobs on the front and them being on the back and hitting you. Like they're not gonna. If you want to turn your knobs quickly, sure, it's a little harder to get to the back, but they're not cumbersome or in the way of playing at all. This one here is really cool. It's another custom build. We did a couple different wood choices, and this one is getting a custom thumb rest put on it with some engraving done. And that's one of the things that is an option on the site. You can get engraving and whatnot. There's like a function there. I think I just have it listed as engraving on the back plate cavity, but really I could do it just about anywhere. And that's, again, one of the many things. And this client, like I said, wanted this custom finger thumb rest. So I was like, yeah, sure, it's like no extra charge, It's all basically the same price as what's going on the website. And then this last one I just started is a pretty straightforward 4-string fretted, and this guy wanted gold hardware. So we got gold frets in there, and I bought the same hardware but in gold. Doesn't say that on the website, but I'll probably add it. So I just wanted to sort of do that just to have something to put out this week and show you the progress. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the Apeiron bases, there's a whole playlist, a whole ton of videos. I'm really into this design. I'm really proud of it. And this one here is number 21 of these now. So we're up into the 20s on these, which is really exciting for me too. I'm really loving them. And I'm still continuing to improve upon these as I go. Like one of the things, they do require a 9-volt battery for the active version, so I've been using just those standard issue black battery covers, but on this one I'm experimenting with doing a little magnetic cover, which I think will be how the rest of them will be made, just like that. A little bit cleaner looking on the back, because in order for the front to be clean, the back has to get a little busy. All right, hey, thanks for watching. Go check out the other Apeirons. Check out the Apeiron base website, because it's a work in progress, and all the input that I get from you here and there and via email and stuff really helps me make a better product for actual working bass players out there who don't get what they want from the big guys, because that's what I'm here for. All right, be good.